Hello vlog, welcome to our guys. So for today's video, we are going to look for the most lovable municipality here in Mountain Province.
Is it Barlic, Bauco, Aris, Pesao, or Bonco?
Paracelis or Naton,
Sabangan or Saganda, Kadyana or Sagana.
by interviewing some student here in Mountain Province State Polytechnic College. So let's find out. Bagtang friend.
Ayang Wadina. Madonna ang ngayon.
Happy James. Noel Baglos Jr.
I'm Taljan.
Aside from your municipality, which municipality in Mountain Province where you can find food?
Siguro Busao.
May nga Busao.
Kasi though wala akong experience sa Lao, but I found the people there caring and hospitable as well. Kasi we've been there, nag-duty na kami doon for like this whole semester. We found time to interact with a lot of patients from Busao.
Salamat man.
The AJ question. Aside from your municipality, which municipality can you find to love?
Sagana ay naimas na po namin.
Tagalog kagaya?
Tabangan.
So, that's the question. Aside from your municipality, which municipality in Mountain Province can you find to love?
Bauco.
Ang peta Bauco.
Real lang namin.
Oh.
No.
Tagalog kagaya? The agriculture question, Manong. What municipality in Mountain Province where you can find true love?
Bauco.
May nga Bauco.
Bauco kasi province. Question sir. Aside from the municipality where you come from, which municipality in Mountain Province that you can find true love? Well, sir, it's Tanjan, sir. Tanjan naman. According to my experience, I feel that we are caring.
So, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Kabalik na interview? Okay. So, what is your name, ma'am?
My name is Cypher Jewel J. Apali. It's Jacob to be precise.
What is your age and course, ma'am?
I'm only 19, still young, and I'm from a PAPS political science student.
This is the question, ma'am. Aside from your municipality, which municipality in Mountain Province where you can find food?
That would be Sagara.
Why, ma'am?
Because Sagara is a home for tourists. I think may lahing, ano yun ba yun? May lahing turista, ganun, forager, puro pogi.
I asked. Thank you, ma'am.
Tagalog. I'm for the Broken Hearts Go, Sagara, 19 years old, political science student. I would rather say, Baugo. Ano Baugo? Wala lang kasi, I found them, understanding, tsaka caring, tsaka, nandun din naman si Mr. Saman with my attention and my heart.
Aside from your municipality, which municipality in Mountain Province where you can find true love? Sabangan na kayo kasama.
Which municipality in Mountain Province where you can find true love?
aside from my municipality, I think Sabangan. Because based on my experience, That's all.
Aside from your municipality, which municipality here in Mountain Province you can find true love?
I guess Nabucco.
Right.
No particular reason kasi based on lang sa Tagajay Papa.
Ma'am, this is the question. Aside from your municipality, which municipality where you can find true love?
You can find true love in Sabang.
Why, ma'am?
Kasi hindi ang tama na nabuan ng mga lawyer.
I answer. Thank you.
Municipality of Mountain Province you can find true love. Aside my municipality, I can say that you can find true love in Tanjan. Tanjan Batangan. Ay, Batangan. Tanjan kasi based on my observation, maraming magjuwang nagtatagal sa Tanjan.
So, ma'am, this is the question. Aside from your municipality, which municipality is Mountain Province where you can find true love? Why, man?
Pero ko lang.
I think you must.
Aside from your municipality, which municipality in Mountain Province where you can find true love?
I think the municipality of Sagada. Because Sagad sa pagmamahal.
My name is Sir Sudan. Yes, I'm from Ponto.
Other second question, ma'am. Aside from your municipality, which municipality in Mountain Province where you can find true love?
For me, I would say Sabanga.
Why, ma'am? Why, sir?
Because narinig ko lang. Taga saan ka po pala?
Taga rito.
Question aside from your municipality, which municipality in Mountain Province where you can find true love? Tadjan, bakit sa Tadjan?
Wala kasi mabait sila.
Okay, thank you.
Manu, like to get your question. Aside from your municipality, which municipality in Mountain Province where you can find true love?
Aside from my municipality, I think it's somewhere around Sabangan. So that's where my friends found their true love. Aside from your municipality, this municipality here in Mountain Province, you can find true love. I think from Pao, ako sa marami kong naging expo na Pao ko, masarap sila magmahal.
Aside from your municipality, which municipality in Mountain Province where you can find true love?
I think you're in some part of Pontong, Bokokan.
Why, sir?
Because I found my true love there.
So this is the main question. Aside from your municipality, which municipality in Mountain Province where you can find true love?
Kindly translate it in Tagalog.
Maliban sa iyong municipality, saang municipality nga ba sa Mountain Province makakakita ng true love?
Sa kung saan di pa ako nakakapunta, yung makakapag-pa-share sa akin doon, yun ang true love ko. Charing! Sa Sagada.
Sige, thank you.
Yun lang.
Sagada is the most mentioned municipality in Mountain Province where you can find true love.